Premium material compared with the original dough hook, made of durable stainless steel, no coating which is rust-proof and easy to clean. Food safe and high quality. Time saving and effort saving. The paddle effectively reduce the kneading time and are fast and efficient, saving you both the time and effort of hand kneading. Mixing and kneading bread doughs, pizza dough, pasta dough, yeast dough, noodle dough, cookie dough, pie dough, etc. Suitable for models. This stainless steel spiral dough hook suitable for kitchen 8K45 K45 SSK SM75 KSM 90 KSM 95 KSM 100 KSM 103 KSM 110 KSM 154.5/5 QT food processor with tilting head. The bread hook K45DH perfectly replaces WPW10674618. W10674618, 970-8471, 318-3588, 318-3589, 416-2152, 417-6069, 970-7671, A974265, EA9. 74265, PS 97425, AP602371. Easy to use and clean. No additional tools are required to install this spiral dough hook to a suitable mixer. After you have done with the dough hook, you can wash by hands or put it in the top rack of dishwasher,